guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And we are back with another challenge. Today we decide to do the clothes swap challenge. Baby's brave enough to brave this challenge. So what is gonna happen is that I am going to do 3 outfit change and baby's going to do 3 outfit change. He's gonna be wearing my clothes and I'm going to be wearing his clothes. So without further ado and no more chit chatting, let's jump right into the challenge. It's supposed to be so much fun and we're looking forward to give you guys a good laugh. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Baby's gonna go first. We're getting for baby's first outfit right now. Ready? Come. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. You guys, look how sexy he is right now, baby. Baby. You're killing my shoes. Let me see your ass. Turn around.
Yes, your ass is big so I can put mine in yours.
Oh my god. You guys, he totally killed this one. Baby, you look sexy.
Thank you.
Wait.
Alright guys, so I'm back with some better clothes and baby's about to enter with her first clothes. So
You're a tomboy?
Look, the pants can't close because it's way too big and the belt can't close because there's no hole. You guys, I feel rough right now. You like it?
You know you have some girl who make it just like this?
I know. Oh my god. And the shoes, I love so much. I'm having a headache right now. And the shoes, oh my god. I feel like...
You look nice. You know you can go like this outside and
Yes.
and you will have some
I love
boys
this
gonna
outfit.
chase you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys, this outfit is shell right now. But this ain't me, bro. You see me under the sips.
Yeah, you're still gonna have some boy doing that. You look sexy. You still look good.
Alright, babe. It's time for your next outfit. You guys, look at this outfit. I look ridiculous. Oh my god. Time for outfit number 2. Ready? Oh my god.
I can't even close it.
Baby. Oh my god. Let me see.
Don't look
Wait. My shoes is dead. Literally dead right now. Come. Let me take a picture like this.
alright guys, so baby's about to come for a second dress.
That's nice. That's nice. You should dress more often in boys. That's nice.
Really, babe? What are you trying to say? What are you
Well,
trying to
it's
say?
just that you have a pants that don't fit you, or but that's nice.
Oh my.
I'm sure they give you. hold this. Let it go.
You better think that's gonna fall.
No, I'm sure they. How she looks? She looks nice.
That was there. That was there.
Nice.
Hey.
Yeah, that's right.
I can twerk in my big pants go.
Alright.
It's time for the last outfit. Baby, ready? Come.
You want to dance? You want to dance?
You can't go down no more.
Oh, you're gonna lose me.
Oh wait. Go. Baby, you look so cute.
Red fit me?
Oh my god, you look so cute in red, my love.
Alright, let's be.
Oi, I'm having a headache. I can't take it. I can't.
Alright guys, so baby's about to come for the third time and for the last time, so let's see if she wear the clothes as good as she did the 2 first time.
Okay, come. Why are you going like this? You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't close your pants. You look more like a clown. You look like a clown outfit. If you was a red shoes.
You guys, I think this one is my favorite.
I think it's my worst. You know, this is my closest, my shorter pants. Here's the thing.
I look like a grandpa. Oh my god, you guys, just look at me.
Look at the shoes. You look 10 times your foot.
I'm going to babe office. I'm going to babe office tomorrow morning. You're at church places. You stay home and I go to your
You
office.
should carry your glasses like this and be not a professor.
Yes, give me my glasses. It's over there. It's on the table. Come, put it on. I look better at this. I need a work bag too. Give me the work bag too. Oh my god, I can't right now. I'm going to...
You're a professor, you're a teacher?
Yeah, I'm an art school teacher. How you like me now? How you like me now? Damn, honey. Why am I looking like this?
Like what?
Like this.
Well, you choose to.
So that's the last and final outfit, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and enjoy looking at me being ratchet and look like a naughty professor. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's for a good laugh. I have to hold my pants up because if I let it go, you guys are gonna see everything. I promise you, everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Hey.